Hey guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all what every girl should carry in her emergency essentials kit. So if you're interested in knowing which those ones are, then please continue watching. So the first and most basic essential is to keep a sanitary pad, and along with the sanitary pad I would also recommend keeping a panty liner so that it would help in case of any sort of vaginal discharge or spotting. And along with these two, I would also recommend you to keep a disposable bag just to discard your used pads and panty liner. Now this disposable bag from Sirona, it comes with a plastic seal, so you can very conveniently dispose of your pads in a very hygienic manner. My next recommendation would be keeping this disposable waterproof toilet seat covers. Now usually you must have seen that the public restrooms often can become like a breeding ground for UTIs and all sorts of infections. So this seat cover basically prevents you from that, and also because it is like waterproof, it is also great even if the toilet seat is wet. All you have to do is just spread it on the toilet seat and use it like that. So do keep this kind of toilet seat cover handy if you want to maintain good hygiene and if you want to stay away from any UTIs and infections. Next, I would also recommend keeping these kind of disinfecting wet wipes. Now with the current scenario of the pandemic, it's very important to disinfect your car steering or the doorknobs, your mobile, or even the taps if you are using public restrooms. And also, since these come in like single-use sachets, it becomes very handy to clean or wipe or disinfect basically any surface. So always keep these kind of disinfecting wet wipes handy. My next recommendation would be keeping some basic beauty care wipes. Okay, so this one by Fresca is a makeup remover. Like the name suggests, it is for removing your makeup. The next one is an intimate wipe. Now you never know when you might need it, so this comes in very handy. The next one is a basic refreshing wipes which you can use to clean your face or your hands. And the last one are these alcohol wipes, which is basically used for sanitizing your hands. So this comes in very handy if you do not want to keep those big sanitizer bottles. The next recommendation are these paper soaps by La Flora. Now since the name as it suggests, these are paper soaps, so when you add a little bit of water to it, it kind of foams up, so it's very good for cleaning your hands thoroughly. And lastly, you will also need some basic tissues just to it comes very handy if you just want to wipe your face or basically just to clean anything. Next, I would also recommend you to keep some basic safety pins as well as a thread and a needle, just in case in case of any emergency. This would also come in very handy. Next, I would also recommend you to keep this kind of foldable scissors, which when you open will look like this. And also I would recommend you to keep this kind of like a multi-purpose product. This is by Vega. So when you open it, it comes with a mirror, and on one side there is a mirror and on the other side there is a comb. So when you just press it from the beneath, it becomes like a comb, so you can even brush your hair. So this kind of multi-purpose product again is very easy to use and it doesn't take up much space as well. Next, you would also require hair scrunchies. Now no matter how many hair scrunchies I have, I always tend to misplace them, so always do keep some hair scrunchies with you. Next, also just keep a pen, because again you might never know when you might need it, and this can also come in very handy. And lastly, you should also keep some basic medications with you. Like personally, I keep a band-aid, a painkiller, and a medicine for fever, some eye drops, and a packet of Electrol. So like that, even you can, depending on your requirement, you can keep some basic medications which can come in handy in time of any emergency. So yeah guys, those were my items in my emergency essential kits. Now I have specifically not included pepper spray in this because God forbid if there comes a time when you have to use it. I would always recommend you to buy the pepper sprays which you can attach to your jeans or your bag, so that it comes in very handy and you don't have to look inside a bag for it. So specifically I have not included a pepper spray in this. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope you did like this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.